My manager told me to organize this mess.
Oh my god. Oh, hell no.
He didn't know that I know this hack. Instead of doing it manually, do this split. Select the data and use the comma as the delimiter. And that's it. Want to master Excel in just 7 days? Comment 7 to get invited to my 7-day Excel challenge. Stop deleting blank rows one by one. Instead, do this. Select your range and press Ctrl G to open the dialog box. Go on Special and select blanks. Now just press Ctrl- and confirm. That's it. Send this tutorial to your boss to get a raise. My teacher was ranking scores like this. I had to stop her immediately. There's a better way to do that. Use the rank function. Select the number. Select the range and lock it with F4. And there you have it. New intern was searching the result like this.
Oh my god!
I had to stop her immediately. Doing that manually isn't efficient at all. Instead, type XLOOKUP. Choose the name that you want to look up. Select the column with the name that you're looking for. And now, select the column with the results that you want. There you go. Also, the results auto-update if you change them. Stop summing numbers with units like a noob.
Oh, hell.
Instead, try this. Press Ctrl-H to replace the unit name. Now select the range and press Ctrl-1. Go to Custom so you can add the unit's name. Now, sum everything, and that's it. Did you know this hack?